It's unboxing for the iPhone 12 mini. I was updating from my iPhone 7, so this will be a comparison about the size. That's what this is. Let's take the wrapper off. That's what it was. And I thought it was a good deal because they have the 30 months. Plus, for my iPhone 7, they gave a discount of $350 taking it for it. So I opened it up, I looked in, and I thought, oh, let's do an unboxing because I saw it's in there. And there was a bubble wrap, and I already took that out. But besides that, I just looked. Voila. There's the box. There's some papers. They are an activation notice, it looks like. Getting started. Whoops. Receipt. The total price on it, this is the 256 gig, $849. To be taped to reseal box for your device return. So I'm going to send my iPhone 7 back. So I guess this will seal the box. That's pretty cool. And the sticker to stick on the return box. Okay, that makes perfect sense. So here we have it. iPhone. And I am a small phone lover. So I was just thinking, man, why don't they make a small one? I like just the one-handed thumb does everything. If you need more, why not just get a bigger device? Is there a little thing to pull on here? There we go. There we go. Now we're in here. Oh, did I tear the sticker? Of course. And dun da da. Dun da 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 da. I believe it looks nice. This is iPhone 12 mini. Red. With 256 gigs. Whoops. And there is. Ooh, look at that. That is freshly done. Oh, voila. I think it looks good. And then what actually came in here, because I was confused about what does and doesn't come in. So this, what the heck is that thing? This goes into the phone. So that does not fit in like a normal USB. Okay, I have to figure that one out. And designed by Apple in California. Red. In partnership with Red. Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the global fund to support HIV/AIDS. That's nice. And there's a little tool. I'm guessing that's the thing to get your SIM card in and out, that kind of thing. Or else it's to brush its hair. And, okay, we'll have to figure this one out because I don't know into what I can use to charge it. And it already had my phone number on there, so let's just see. Do I turn this thing on? Yeah, look at that. Operating. And with these cameras. See if it looks like my iPhone already, because here's the iPhone 7 right next to it. And look, this thing is actually narrower than an iPhone 7 and a little shorter. This thing is even smaller. Okay, I'm getting the hellos. And I'll have to figure out how to transfer all my stuff here.